Hola, chicos. Okay, so we got a new song mod today. Got Sonic versus Big Head. Hola, Crawford. Wait. Oh, no. Wait, I gotta do something. What's a blue shot? Ooh, what's a blue shot? It's Fandy Melon Playground. Fandy Melon Playground. Who is he? Great, I have to tell you the meaning of everything. So, you do not know who this dude is? He is the creator of the mine. Doors update. I am banning you from the server. No! Now I have to revive you and put some immorality in you. Can't believe he did this to you. Just come here, bro. You gotta wake up, bro. Nothing will happen. What's this place?
Puppy?
Where are you at?
You see the red puppy? Watch how big he get. He gonna get so big.
And I just wanted to give you this. Wait. Are you telling me this is a virus? Well, I'm just trying to kind of don't really like this. What is that? Yeah, I know. But bro, I gotta go to my dancing club. Never mind. No, you don't, bro. It's actually I forgot I have to go to school. Hey, bro. Let's go to school, bro. Okay, class. So we have two new students. Read them. They're Fandy, Melon Playground, and Sonic. What? No one likes them. Okay, so reading and writing. Get your notebook and put this equation. Alright. Let's get our pencil. You say you want to get your pencil? Yeah, this is your pencil. So, right. So, look at your book. Look at your book and write this equation down. 259 minus 259 minus 249. Okay. Figure out the equation. So, bro, I know it. 249 minus 250. 400. They said 400. Right? 360 minus 360 minus 190. Alright, that's easy, bro. Let me write 160 minus 490. Wait, no, 360 minus 190. Okay, 360. I'll use my place value chart. So, No, let's use place value chart. So do your place value chart. Okay, I'll do that. And then you write the number. You put a 3 in the hundredths place, 6 in the 10th place, and don't put ones. Just put 0 ones. And then you have to take away a 10. And then you have to take away a 10. You have to take away a 10. I mean 2 of them. And then cross that line to the 10th place because you can't take enough. So, and then you put 10s. And then you take away 9. And then you have 1, so you have 7. That's 7 there. And then you have 170 because 360 minus. No, we should have 130. I'm gonna just act like it. Yeah, we're just gonna act like it because I don't think I'm doing it right. Okay, do it. Anyone has an answer? 100. Sonic. 170. And how many of you guys agree? I disagree. I disagree too. Pumpkin, Pumpkin, you're the weakest. I already know that. I disagree. Okay, so I'm gonna tell Slime to do a different equation to come up the board. And do an equation. So Sonic, solve 130 minus 120. I mean 100. Solve 390 minus 140. Okay. So I do this. I use my standard algorithm. No, it plays value chart. So you do 390, and then you do 100, and then you take away 140. So you take away 1, which is 2, and then you take away 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 5, and then you have 150. So easy. Who agrees? Disagree. Agree. Well, you guys do not pay attention. Sonic is actually right. So you guys blame it on yourself. Kill. Fight him. Bro. Get him, Sonic. Teacher, you said I can't get them? Yeah. Because they're bullying you. Pick run. We have to get out of here. No, I'm gonna kill Apple. Whoa.